Start with 50 grams of water. Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make simple, easy V60 recipe at home. Here's what we need. V60, some paper, coffee, your favorite grinder. I'm going to be using GP6 from Easy Presso. Grind size 5.5 clicks. We are going to use 15 gram dose. Let's prepare the V60 paper. I'm just going to fold it to the side here. Hold down the paper. You're going to wash it all the way. Just make sure discard the water. Let's add coffee right inside the. Use chopsticks or glass stick, whatever. I like to just make sure, mix it well. Okay, make a little hole. Start with 50 grams of water. I like to wait about a minute for blooming time. Once I hit a minute mark, I'm just gonna go right in the middle to circular motion. All the way up to 240. We're gonna do another gentle swirl. Total brew time should be around just under 3 minutes. Look like 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Only thing left to do is just enjoy your cup of coffee. As you can see, this is extremely simple V60 recipe. You can use it at home. 15 gram dose based on your taste, 1 to 15, 1 to 16 ratio, could be 1 to 17 ratio as well. 1 minute blooming time followed by rest of the water you input, and the output you are going to have a fantastic cup of coffee. Happy brewing.